Welcome back to our weekly Shop Talk. This week's topic, building customer loyalty, rewards programs, and exceptional service. In today's video, we will explore two fundamental strategies to cultivate customer loyalty, implementing rewards programs and providing exceptional customer service. These approaches will help you establish a solid foundation for long-term success in your auto repair business. Let's dive deeper into each strategy. Rewards programs. Reward programs are a powerful tool to incentivize customer loyalty. Consider the following key points when creating and implementing your program. Define clear goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your reward program. Whether it's encouraging repeat visits, promoting specific services, or generating referrals, clear goals will help you shape the structure of your program. Valuable and relevant rewards. Choose rewards that are meaningful and relevant to your customers. These can include discounts on services, free oil changes or complimentary car washes, or loyalty points redeemable for future services. Simplicity and transparency. Keep your reward program simple and easy to understand. Customers should be able to track their progress and know how to redeem their rewards without any confusion. Effective promotion. Ensure that your customers are aware of your reward program through various channels such as your website, social media, email newsletters, and in-shop signage. Offer incentives for customers to join, such as a sign-up bonus or exclusive discounts. Personalized experience. Tailor your reward program to cater to the unique needs of your customers. Consider offering personalized offers based on their vehicle's maintenance history or sending birthday rewards to make them feel valued. Exceptional customer service. While reward programs are effective, they must be accompanied by exceptional customer service. Here are some strategies to deliver outstanding service. Training and empowering staff. Invest in training your employees to provide top-notch customer service. Teach them effective communication skills, problem-solving techniques, and the importance of a friendly and welcoming attitude. Efficient service and quality workmanship. Strive for prompt and efficient service while maintaining high-quality repairs and maintenance work. Exceeding customer expectations will leave a lasting positive impression. Listening to customer feedback. Encourage customers to share their feedback, both positive and negative. Actively listen to their concerns and take swift action to resolve any issues. This demonstrates that you value their opinion and are committed to their satisfaction. Building relationships. Foster a sense of community and trust by establishing personal connections with your customers. Remember their names, engage in friendly conversations, and follow up with them after their visit. Leveraging technology. Utilize customer relationship management software to keep track of customer preferences, vehicle history, and service reminders. Send automated reminders for maintenance, inspection, or service appointments to enhance convenience. By implementing rewards programs and delivering exceptional customer service, you can nurture customer loyalty in your auto repair shop. Remember, it's an ongoing process that requires dedication and consistency. Prioritize customer satisfaction, offer incentives for loyalty, and create a personalized experience that sets you apart from competitors. Building a loyal customer base will be the key to your long-term success and growth in the auto repair industry. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.